James, you entered into an agreement with Matthew, and the agreement was simple. I'll give you £1,000 of my money, you use £1,000 of yours to buy a piece of equipment. Nothing in writing between the two of you, despite the fact the two of you were going into business together, which is very silly indeed. In the circumstances, in nearly all cases of this kind, regardless of what's happened here, because the two of you are joint and severally liable, in effect, for the mistakes that the two of you make in this business, including his mistakes, that would be the beginning and the end of the case, and I would have to dismiss it. However, this case is rather more nuanced than that, because you don't claim that you're entitled to the money back purely because it's been lost. What you say is as follows. I entered into a verbal agreement with Matthew whereby he promised that he would use this payment system. I would only have forwarded that money on that basis because that provided me with insurance. He accepted in my court today that he made that promise. He reneged on that promise. Instead, without seeking your clear consent, he sent the money by bank transfer. That's his negligence and his fault. And the consequences for him are considerable. He effectively held out that he would give you insurance, which you relied upon. In the circumstances, therefore, because you've relied upon that, you're therefore entitled to your full sum of £1,000, and that's the award of this court. If you promise to provide someone with insurance and you say absolutely clearly that you will only go in that direction, if you go on another journey, there can be real consequences for you, as you have found out today. The award of this court is £1,000.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Be careful. Get things in writing. Understood?
Sure.
It's the award of this court.
James won his case and was awarded the full amount of his claim. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
Obviously, from the text, and I was very annoyed at the time because that was essentially our insurance.
Sure.
We've got no guarantee we're ever going to see the money back again now. So yeah, I was very annoyed at the time. Me and Matthew we'll be friends now. It's behind us now.
Still going to keep an eye on cryptocurrencies where they go, and might potentially make an investment later on down the road.
Obviously, you shouldn't have paid through other means, but we've got it sorted now anyway, and hopefully we can continue with our investments.
Sure.
If you enjoyed that video, then I strongly suggest clicking here for more highlights. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, and why not, and so that you never miss out, subscribe. Clicking down there, that's an order.